Hello everyone. Bhavya this side from JNtech Networks. So in this session, we will discuss about what is cybersecurity, what is information security, what is ethical hacking, what is hacking, types of hacker, okay, and what is legal, what is illegal, okay, and we will discuss about the basic requirements, the system requirements, more else. We will discuss about the certifications like what is CEH version 12, what is Comptia Security Plus, and what is cpaint, etc. Okay, so let's start. So let me write the agenda first. Okay, so first, what is cybersecurity? We can write cybersecurity and its domain, or we can say path. Okay, make it simple. So next, what is ethical hacking versus hacking? Then types of hackers, phases of hacking, okay, system requirements for the cybersecurity course, okay, and your basic requirements, softwares, that is like initial softwares, okay, Mural's installation process, okay, and upcoming batches, like info of upcoming batches. Okay, so let's start. So what is cybersecurity? So we can say that cybersecurity is like protecting someone's data, okay, protecting the system, protecting the network, okay, securing the IoT devices, various devices, OS, etc. Okay, so basically we can say that cybersecurity is a domain. Okay, it is a domain, or we can say that use domain. Inside cybersecurity, we have path, like we have ethical hacking. Okay, we have penetration testing. We have SOC analyst, or we can say that first bug hunting and SOC analyst. One second, blue teaming. Okay, inside blue teaming, we have SOC analyst. Inside SOC analyst, we have tier 1, we have tier 2, we have tier 3, etc. And we have information security engineer, we have cyber security engineers, okay, we have cyber security analyst. So these are the job titles, okay, and the job titles are directly depends on the roles and responsibilities of the company, okay. So we can right here we can say security analyst, information security engineer, CISO, that is chief information security officer, etc. Then we have red teaming. Okay, we have forensics, that is digital forensics. Okay, so these are the various paths. Actually, we have more. So let's understand this. So ethical hacking is like the person who hacks legally. Okay, so ethical hacking, or we can say that ethical hacker. Okay, penetration testing means penetration tester, or pen tester, or pen test. Bug hunting, we can say that bug hunter. So before that, let's understand ethical hacking versus hacking. So what is ethical hacking? Before that, what is hacking? Okay. So hacking is the process or we can say that hacking is the process of compromising systems, like systems, networks, and morals, devices, websites, web applications, or softwares, programs. Okay, so hacking is a process of compromising the systems. We can say that networks, we can say that websites, web apps, programs, etc. One second, devices also. Okay, etc. By finding, we can say, in an illegal way. Okay, so hacking is like a process of compromising, or we can say that attacking. Okay, like attacking or hacking the systems, networks, websites, web applications, programs, devices, etc. in the illegal way. Okay, that is hacking. Then what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is like replicating or mimicking the actions of a malicious hacker. Okay, so it is a process replicating, or we can say that mimicking the actions of a malicious hacker to compromise the systems. Okay, so ethical hacking is like replicating or mimicking the actions of a malicious hacker to compromise the system in an legal way. Okay, by following all the rules, by following all the ethics, policies, laws, standards, etc. That is ethical hacking. Okay, so make sure hacking is like in a illegal way. Okay, and by breaking the locks. Okay, so by breaking locks, and ethical hacking is like in a legal way. That is like following all the policies, laws, standards, and ethics, etc. So we have three types of hackers. That is black hat, we have white hat, and we have gray hat. Okay, so black hat means who hacks illegally, or we can say that who breaks into the system in an while breaking the laws, standards, um, okay, that is black hat. White hat, it is like who hacks legally while following all the rules, regulations, or we can say that just laws and standards. And laws and standards are vary from country to country. Okay. Then grey hat hacker. They are like both. Combination of both. Combination of black hat and white hat. Okay. So next we have path. Okay. So as we have three types of hackers. Okay. And security is a main concern. Okay. So we have like various paths in cybersecurity. We have ethical hacking. Okay. The person who hacks legally is known as ethical hacker. Okay. We have penetration tester. That is who mainly penetration tester, we can say that, or penetration testing. It is a type of security testing. Okay, so it is a type of security testing in which of these systems, applications, websites, networks, wireless devices like IoT devices also, okay, etc. etc. Okay, so it is a type of security testing of the systems, applications, websites, networks, wireless devices, IoT devices, etc. Okay, in which we usually the penetration tester, or we can say that by finding the bugs or loopholes inside the inside the, okay, so it is a type of security testing of the systems, okay, etc. by finding the bugs, loopholes, or vulnerabilities. Okay, that is known as penetration testing. Okay, so we have like various types of penetration testing. We have penetration testing, we have networking penetration testing, we have wireless application. Okay, like we have various types of penetration testing. Okay, so the motto is same, that is like finding the bugs. So we can say the purpose of penetration testing. Okay, that is finding the bugs, finding the loopholes, etc., fixing them. Okay, fixing them and yeah, report, result analysis, and report preparation. Okay, that is the overall purpose of penetration testing. That is finding, fixing, and analyzing, and then preparing the report. Okay, so fixing is optional here. Okay, that is like depend on the company. Okay, if the company is asking you to fix them, then you can fix it. Okay, so that is like optional part of penetration testing. Okay, main purpose is finding and then result analysis and report preparation. But you should know how to fix them also. Okay, that. So now then we have bug hunting or bug hunter, or we can say that maybe you heard of bug bounty also. Okay, so basically bug bounty is a monetary reward or monetary reward, hall of fames, and swags like gifts, okay, etc. That is given to the bug hunters for finding the bugs inside the websites or web applications or softwares, okay, etc. like devices, network, etc. Okay, so bounty is like a reward. Okay, that is like it can be a reward, it can be a hall of fame or a gifts. Okay, which is given to the bug bounty hunters for finding the bugs or loopholes or vulnerabilities inside websites, web applications, softwares, devices, etc. Okay, and bug hunting is like hunting for the bugs. Simple. Okay, so hunting for the bugs. That is bug bounty, bug hunting. Okay, so bug hunting is related to penetration testing. Okay, now next we have blue teaming. Blue teaming is like they are on the defender side. Okay, so inside that we have like various path. We have SOC analyst, okay, which is in demand. We have in the SOC we have three levels, like they are like level tier 1, 2, 3, and we have security analyst. Okay, or we can say that after some after some experience, you can become a security engineer or CISO or etc. Okay, so these are just job titles. Okay, then we have red teaming, that is like on the attacker side. Okay, so we can say that they are responsible for finding the loopholes and like creating the malwares or exploits or payloads, finding the 0-day exploits, etc. Okay, then we have forensics, or we can say that forensicators. Okay, they are like finding the evidences. Okay, they are in the kind of cyber cell. Okay, finding the evidences. Or we can say that working on evidences. That is, never mind. Finding the evidences. Okay, like working on that. So forensics are like a lot about evidences, backing the data. Okay, finding the evidences, reviewing the logs, etc. So that is another part. So these are the path inside cybersecurity. Okay, and we have like more else. Like we have job titles. Okay, like we have information security analyst, information security engineer, cybersecurity engineers. Okay, etc. So your job title will depend on the roles and responsibilities. Okay, that is your job titles will depends on the roles and responsibilities the company is asking you to do. Okay, that is like all about security. So now there's one point that is from where we can start the cybersecurity. Okay, so we can start with ethical hacking. That is like we can start with a CEH. Okay, or Comptia. So basically, a ethical hacker is like a person who hacks legally. So ethical hacker can be a penetration tester. A penetration tester can be ethical hacker. Okay, and even a SOC analyst can be a penetration tester as well as a ethical hacker. Okay, so they are not limited. Okay, path. So penetration tester can be ethical hacker can be a penetration tester. Same as we have a bug hunter can be a penetration tester as well as a ethical hacker. Same as we have a SOC analyst can be a penetration tester as well as a ethical hacker. Okay, they are like the stairs. So like where you can start with the so we have to start. Okay, so we can start with the Conscious Security Plus or CEH. Okay. Okay, so basically, we can start with a Conscious Security Plus, which will clear all your basics, all your advanced part, like all the terms, all the keywords inside cybersecurity. So Conscious is more about like theory part. Okay, so you can start with a Conscious Security Plus. Okay, which will clear your like basics. Okay, like you can understand every attack, like or we can select the terms, the keywords. Okay, then you can go for the CEH, that is Certified Ethical Hacker. Okay. So, so this certification will cover all the like practical part as well as theory part. Okay, which is needed to understand the like root cause of the securities. Okay, like the basic part of security. Like you can like understand the what is the roles and responsibilities of a penetration tester. Okay, what is like how to hack into systems, phases of hacking. Okay, how to gather information, how to scan, how to enumerate. Okay, how we can hack wireless devices, IoT devices, cloud computers, like how we can hack them. Okay, so these are like the CH. Okay, so after that you can move to CPENT. Okay, CPENT is not important. Basically, these are like let me show you. So CompTIA is like a certification. CEH, that CEH version 12 is a certification, and CPENT. This is for the penetration testing. Okay, so so basically, certifications are not that important. Okay, so first focus on your skills. Okay, focus on your like your topics. Okay, your modules, how to clear them, how to practice. Then you can move to the certifications. Okay, so you can start with the Conscious Security Plus. Then you can move to CEH. Okay, so applying for the certification and applying for the training both are different. Okay, so you can apply for the training first, and then you can apply for the certifications. Okay, and certification is not important. Okay, if you have any if you have like if you have any like enough skills. So If and after like 1 to 2 years, you can go for the certifications. Okay, so first we have Comptia Security Plus, CEH, and CPENT. Okay, so you can go for the like Comptia, CEH, CPENT, and then you can go for SOC. Okay, if you want to go on in blue teaming part, that is in demand. Okay, you can go for the SOC, tier 1, then tier 2, 3, etc. Okay, so you can start with the Comptia Security Plus or CEH. So the basic requirements to start the course. That is, first, networking is important. Okay, or you can like clear the basics of networking or CCNA, any of these. Okay, so networking is very important in cybersecurity. So either you can go for the basics of networking or you can go for the CCNA, which will clear all your basics, advanced part of networking. Okay, and then Linux fundamentals. That is also important. Okay, plus Linux. Okay, let's see. Plus Linux commands. Okay, basically we will cover the Linux command, but if you like have prior knowledge for that, that is like a plus point for you. Okay, so basic requirements like you have to be have a knowledge about networking. Okay, the basic concepts about protocols, IP addresses, TCP, okay, UDP, handshakes, etc., TLS, TCP handshake, and other protocols. Okay, then you can go for Linux fundamentals and Linux commands. Okay, that is enough for starting the career in cybersecurity. Whereas, then we have the system requirements. Okay, so system requirements like you have to be. So we have that is the system requirements. You have 8 GB RAM inside your PC. Okay, 4 GB is not enough. 8 GB, and you like prefer SSD. Okay, over HDD. Okay, if like if you're buying any laptop, so prefer SSD over HDD. Then processor is like Intel i3 processor, like minimum. Okay, right here, minimum. Okay, so Intel i3 processor, or you can go for AMD processor, that is Ryzen series. Okay, don't go for A series. You can go for the Ryzen series. They are like fine. Okay, so that is like a minimum requirements. Okay, 8 GB RAM, SSD over HDD, and Intel i3 processor. That is very important. Okay, so this is a minimum requirements. 4 GB is not enough. Okay, for a system. So next we have softwares that we are like initial ones. That is initial softwares. We will use ParrotOS over Kali Linux. Okay, ParrotOS. We will prefer ParrotOS and VMware over VirtualBox. So why ParrotOS? Because ParrotOS is more powerful than Kali Linux. Okay, like ParrotOS is fit for the beginners also. Okay, and ParrotOS has like more tools, more packages than Kali Linux. Okay, it is like more flexible. Okay, so we will work with the ParrotOS. You can also like use Kali Linux. It's your choice. Okay, but ParrotOS is like more powerful than Kali Linux. And VMware. Okay, so then we have phrases of hacking. Okay, so phrases of hacking, or we can say that methodology of hacking. Okay, that is first information gathering. Second, we have scanning. Third, we have gaining access. Fourth, we have maintaining access. clearing braces. Okay. So it is like phases of hacking is like a methodology of hacking. It is like from where we can start. Okay, like where we can start the hacking. Okay. So information gathering is our first step. Okay. Basically, we have like a lot more. Inside information gathering, we have some more step. Inside scanning, we have like information, vulnerability assessment. Like we have everything. Okay. So first, these are the like headings. We have information gathering, which is also known as footprinting. Okay. Okay, and we have two types of footprinting. We have active, passive. That will be see. So information gathering is like we are gathering information about your target. Okay. Then we have scanning. Scanning is like scanning for the loopholes, scanning for the vulnerabilities, scanning for the bugs. Okay. Gaining access is like the actual exploit. We are hacking. We are actually compromising the system with the help of the vulnerabilities we have found. Okay. Maintaining access is optional. Okay. It is like maintaining your access for a long time. Okay, so it depends on a motive of hacking. Like, why are you hacking the system? Then we have clearing process. It is like clearing the logs, etc. So before moving forward, like methodology, we have 3 points. We have three important points. Okay. Okay. First, we have target. Okay. Second, we have here we can who is your target. Okay. Second, we have why are we hacking the system? Okay. That is, we can say that motive behind compromising. Okay. So we have 3 points to remember. That is like who is your target. So before hacking, like before starting our phrases of hacking, okay, we have to be make sure that who's your target. Your target can be anyone. Like it can be a system, it can be a network, it can be a device. Okay, it can be OS, like it can be Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, iOS. Okay, it can be websites, web applications, etc. Okay, so please, before moving forward, confirm that who is the target. Okay, then why are we hacking the system? Like motive behind hacking. Okay, like what we will gain after hacking. Okay, whether you want a root access, you want a normal access, you want to practice. Okay, you are like doing any testing, or you are like stealing any information, etc. Like we have various purpose. Okay, so before moving forward, you have to define your motive. Like why are we hacking this system? Okay, like why are we like defining the motive? Because motive gives you a goal. Okay, so motive equal goals, goal or direction. Okay, so it will provide you a direction. Okay, of hacking. Then we have initial tools. Okay, that how we can start. So your tools will depend on the target because we have different tools for different devices. Like we have different tools for networking, we have different tools for websites, like we have different tools for IoT devices. Okay, like etc. So initial tools like information gathering tools. Okay, like Nmap, Net, Discover. They are like few. Okay, or we can say Metasploit, etc. Just name them. Okay. That will be beneficial. Okay. So, so this is all about the intro part of cybersecurity. What else? Okay. Now we will see the installation process. Okay. Installation process of the ParrotOS in VMware. Okay. So we will use Windows. Okay. Inside Windows, we will use VMware. Okay, as a virtual machine, and inside like VMware, we will install ParrotOS. Okay, as a Linux machine. So for the installation process, first install your, or we can say, download and install your VMware. Okay, second, okay, so first, how to install VMware. Okay, so for VMware, you can search for the um VMware download. Okay, okay, click on VMware workstation. From here, scroll. Here you can click on download now. Okay. So installation process is straightforward. And for the ParrotOS ISO down. Click on parrotsec.org. From here, click on security edition and click on download. Okay, the size is 4.8 GB. Okay. So after installing both, like VMware of course, click on your VMware icon on your desktop, open it, click on file, new virtual machine. Okay, new virtual machine. From here, click on next. Okay, I will install the operating system later. Click on here, click on next, click on Linux and select Debian 10x 64-bit. Click on next. Now name your virtual machine. So I'm naming ParrotOS, or we can say Parrot Linux. Okay, specify your location. Okay, click on next. Now size should be like minimum 40 GB. Okay, 40 GB. Okay, click on next. Click on customize hardware. Okay, here increase your memory, that is up to 8 GB or 6 GB. Okay, we can, yeah, up, like around 5 GB or 6 GB. So let's give 6 GB. 6,000. Okay, then for the processor, okay, give your processor, and in the new CD DVD, click on use ISO image file. Click on here, browse. Okay, so from here, select your ParrotOS ISO file. Click on open. Okay, and in the network adapter, click on bridge. Okay, in the USB, click on 3.1. Okay, and everything is fine. Okay, now click on close here. Finish. Now here, power on this virtual machine. Okay, so here click on try install. Enter. Okay, so before installing, make sure that you have around 80 GB of space. Okay, inside your disk where you are installing your ParrotOS. Okay, that's important. So wait for it. Okay, so after opening, click on install ParrotOS. Okay, double click on it. Okay, so from here, click on next. Okay, so select your region. So here I'm selecting Asia. Okay, zone. So select your zone here. Click on next. Now from here, select your keyboard. That is, keep it English US default. Okay, from here, click on next. Now from here, click on erase disk. Okay, so next, name your virtual machine. So you can name anything. So I'm naming my name, Bhavya. Okay, what is name of this computer? So change it. Okay, now from here, apply the password. That is 2345. You can apply it whatever you want. Okay, now here click on next. Install. Install now. So basically this will take around 15 minutes. Okay, around 15 minutes max. Or rest, it depends on your speed of your system. Okay, so after installing, click on finish. Okay, from here, click on next and finish. So this will install your Parrot OS. Okay, I'm cancelling it because it will take time. Okay, so after click on finish, restart your machine. Okay, restart your Parrot OS machine. So, okay, no. So I will use my previous machine. Okay, that is installed. Okay. Now, after restarting, click on power on this virtual machine. Okay. Now here apply your password of your account. Enter. Okay, so right click, open your terminal here. Okay, so in the view, click on zoom in. Okay, if you want, zoom in, full screen. Now, we will see the Linux commands, like some basic and useful commands. Okay, so Linux commands. You just need it to you to get started, and these are the useful commands. Okay, so first we have pwd, that is print working directory. Okay, second we have ls, that is list. Third we have cd, that is change directory. Okay, and directory means folder. Folder. Okay, here. Now, then we have cd space dot dot. Okay, that is um change directory, but this will take you one step backward. Okay, that is important. We will see it. Okay, then we have clear to clear the screen. Okay, clear. Simple. We have exit to exit from the terminal. Okay, then we have mkdir, which is make directory. Okay, which is means folder. We can write here or. Okay, then we have touch, that is make, or we can write here used to create files. Okay, of any type. Then we have rm for removing the file, rm space hyphen rf, that is for removing the folder. Okay, so next we have who am I. Okay, so this will print your, so used to print your account name. Okay, user account name in which you are logged. Okay, same who am I. Okay, so first we will try these, then we will move forward. So pwd, this will print working directory, means this will print where you are in. Okay, means your location, prints your location, or we can say that in which directory you are in. You are in. Sorry. Okay, so let's try this. Here pwd. Okay, so we are in home anonymous desktop, means we are in this folder, that is directory. So in Linux, everything is files and folders only. Okay, so we can mention here in Linux, just a simple note. In Linux, everything is a files and folders. Okay, so pwd, which will print working directory. So you are inside desktop. Okay, so this will print the location or path of where you are in. Okay, then we have ls. Okay, so this will print your files and folders. Okay, like these are the files and folders I have inside my desktop folder. Okay, then we have mkdir. Okay, which is used to create folders. That is, let's say folder underscore one. Okay, enter. So ls again. So we have this folder underscore one. Okay, you can check it out from here. We have this folder. Okay, so mkdir is used to create your directories. Now, if you want to move inside your folder, then we have cd space your name of your folder in which you want to move it. That is folder underscore one. Enter. Now you can check it out from here. We have the directory. We are inside folder underscore one. Okay, previously we are inside. Okay, that is inside. We were inside desktop. Now we are inside your folder. Okay, underscore one. Or we can print pwd for to print your location. Okay, your path. So cd means change directory. Now ls to check whether like what is inside my folder. So my folder is empty. Okay. So clear your screen. clear. Okay, clear. Now ls. So my folder is empty. Now we can create a file. So touch file dot txt. Enter ls. Okay, so file has been created. You can check it from here as well. Folder and here. Okay, you have file. File dot txt. Now, so let's create file dot py. Okay, as I said, you can create any sort of file. You can create Python file, C file, PDF files. Okay, sorry, that Excel file, CSV files, etc. Okay, or Java file, HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript file, etc. Okay, so PHP file. So we have this file .txt and file .py. Now, this is for if you want to create one file at one time. Now, what if we want to create multiple files at the same time? So for that, we can type touch file one dot txt, file two dot txt, any file like okay, you can name anything 3.txt. Okay, so this is for if you want to create multiple files at the same time. Okay, touch name of your file. Okay, separated by space. So we have this space here. Click on enter. ls. So we have these files. Okay, file 1, 2, 3, or 5. File py. Okay, same as you can do with the folder. mkdir folder underscore 1. No, 2. Folder underscore 3. Don't use space. Okay, enter. ls. So we have these folders. Okay, now how to remove them? So remove, if you want to remove your file, so same as rm for file to remove file. Okay, name is if you want to remove multiple files at the same time. So touch, sorry, remove name of your files. That is file tst, file 3.tst, and file.py. Okay, enter. See, we have removed all the file. Okay, now same with the folder rm space hyphen rf. Remove folder. Name of your folder which you want to remove. That is, let's say I want to remove this one. Okay, second, enter, ls. So you have to write your name as it is. Okay, we have folder, we have folder, we have underscore, we have underscore. Okay, like you have to write it as it is. So ls folder 2 has been removed. Now same as if you want to remove all the folders together. So we have folder underscore 3 4 enter ls. Okay, so we have removed all the folders. Okay, now if you want to remove this file, so rm file.txt. Okay, so we have removed all the files, folders, etc. Okay, so this is how you can create and remove. Now clear the screen. ls. Okay, so ls, we have this. Okay, now let's move backward. So we were inside desktop previously. Now I am inside my folder. So if you want to move back, so cd space dot dot and ls. Okay, so we are inside desktop now. Same as cd space dot dot ls. So pwd. Now we are inside anonymous folder. Same as cd space dot dot pwd. We are inside home now. Okay, we are like moving one step backward. Okay, now ls. So these are the directories or files inside my home directory. Okay, so if you want to use like move inside any other folder like anonymous, cd anonymous space ls. Okay, so we are inside anonymous now. Clear the screen. Now cd pwd cd and move to music, because now we are inside music pwd. Okay, so let's move to desktop again. Okay, so we are inside desktop now. Okay, this is how you can operate a cd and cd space dot dot. Okay, now then we have help command. Before that, help and man. Okay, so man is like manual and help is like help. So help command is used to show you okay, so we have help. So this will show you all the arguments you can use with a particular command. Okay, or any tool. So if we're like new to any tool, or if you don't know how to use a particular tool, you can type help and name of your like command or tool. Okay, like for example, ls hyphen help and help. Okay, double hyphen help, enter. See, so this will show you like we have these hyphen a hyphen capital A hyphen b. Okay, caps b c d etc. So these are the arguments. Okay, hyphen a will show you all the files. Okay, and hyphen capital A will show you almost all files. okay, hidden files, etc. Hyphen B, etc. So these are known as arguments. Okay, hyphen C, D, F, G. Okay, and these are the arguments you can use with ls command. Okay, and the use like small description of the argument. So here we can try this ls hyphen l. Okay, enter. So L will show you all the how your day you have created your file and day and time. Okay, your user. Okay, and file. D means directory. R means read. Okay, W means write, or X means execute. Okay, so these are like the permissions. Okay, then we have ls hyphen a to show all the files. Okay, whether they are hidden or not. Okay, hyphen a. Now, even we can combine the A or L together, like ls hyphen al. Enter. Okay, so we can combine the arguments also. Clear the screen. ls help. Okay, so if you are new to any tool, if you if you want to see the help, if you want to see the arguments, then you can type hyphen help. Okay, same as we have manual, that is man, name of your command, that is ls. So man will show you the arguments in detail. Okay, first definition. Okay, then we have arguments. Okay, now we have to use like upper key and down key for scrolling up and down. Okay, so here you can check it out. Okay, and if you want to quit, you can press Q. Okay, Q for quit. So press Q. Okay, let me show you again. Press Q. Okay, so man and help command are like very useful. So then we have who and who am I. So we have who and who am I. Okay, like this will show you your account name. Okay, clear the screen. So next we have move, rename. First move, copy, rename. Okay, so MV is like used to move your file from one place to another. Okay, CP used to copy your file from one place to another. Okay, next we have move. So we have two moves, MV. So here use rename your file. Okay, so how to move your file from one place to another using CLI. So you can type MV move your file name. Okay, your file name which you want to move and location, or we can say path where you want to move your file. Okay, same as with copy, CP. Okay, file name which you want to copy. Second, path where you want to copy. Yes. Okay, so and this is rename. MV your old file name. Okay, that you want to rename. Second, your new file name. Okay, that you want to keep. Simple. Okay, for example, we can write here move, let's say your file name file.txt, and you want to name it test.txt. Okay, same as with copy. So here CP, your file name file.txt that you want to copy, and location or path where you want to copy. That is, let's say we want to copy on home, anonymous, or music. Okay, we want to copy here. Same as move. For example, move your file name file.txt. Okay, and where you want to copy. So we're going to copy, let's say, on inside documents. Okay, so this is the proper syntax for moving, copy, or renaming. Okay, so let's try. So here we are inside desktop. So let's move F should be small case. Okay, so we are inside folder one. Now here ls. So this is empty. So let's create one file. Touch name of your file tst. Okay, so we have this file. Now you want to move this file to, let's say, another folder. So mv move name of your file which you want to move and location where you want to move. So location we can put home anonymous music. Okay, we will move it there. Enter. ls. Okay, so now folder is empty because you have moved your file from one place to another. Okay, now if you want to check, you can check like ls home anonymous music. See, we have this file. Okay, file.txt. Okay, which we have moved. Now, let's clear. If you want to move back, so let's move to home anonymous and music. Enter. ls. Okay, now move your file tst. Now where you want to move? So we want to move on inside home and see when you press an. Okay, so press tab. This will auto complete your like path or command anything. Press tab. Okay, so we want to move inside desktop and inside folder underscore one ls. Sorry, no mv. Okay, ls. Okay, so we have moved my file to this location. Okay, so we don't have file inside music. Now again you want to check cd dot dot. Okay, cd to desktop and folder underscore one. Okay, ls. See, we have this file.txt. Okay, so this is how you can move from one place to another. Okay, same as we can try with a copy. cp file you want to copy. So now let's copy on desktop. So home anonymous and desktop. Okay, so if you want to check your path, like if you want to copy your path, so suppose you want to copy your file here. Okay, so inside home, click on desktop. Okay, from here, click on copy. Okay, here, press Ctrl C and you can paste here. Okay, so to paste inside your terminal, we have Ctrl Shift V. Okay, so we can write here to paste. Okay, so we have Control plus Shift, Control plus Shift plus C to copy. Same as Control plus Shift plus V. Paste. Okay. This is only inside your terminal. Okay, inside Linux. So let me copy, paste, sorry, Control Shift V. Okay, enter. ls. Okay, so we have copy means we are like copying the file from one place to another. Okay, so we have this file also here. Same as if you move here inside desktop. So we have this file.txt here also. Okay. So this is how you can move your like copy your file from one place to another. Then we have rename. Okay. So let's move. Hold on. Okay. ls. So if you want to rename this file, so mv name of your file means your old file name, that is file.txt, your new file name. So let's say new underscore file .txt. Okay, enter ls. So this new file .txt. Okay, so if you want to rename this again, so mv your file name that you want to rename file.txt, your new file name. So let's say test00.txt. Yes. Okay, so we have this file. So this is how you can rename your file. Okay. Now, next we have echo. Okay, we have echo. We have cat. We have figlet. We have apt get install. Okay, so we have echo, we have cat, we have figlet, we have apt get install your name of your software that you want to install, and we have file name. So echo will display whatever you write. Okay. So we have echo hello world. So this is used to print whatever you write. Okay, like okay, so we have echo hello world. So this will print whatever you write. Okay. So let me show you something. So we have this echo. Okay, so echo, this is my first line. Okay, so this line, okay, so this greater than sign is used to write something inside your file. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so this is my first line. So, okay, so this greater than sign is used to write something inside file. Okay, so suppose if you want to save something inside file, let's say ls hyphen hyphen help. Okay, okay, so so instead of printing here, so this sign is used to print all the content inside this file. Okay, so this is used to save something inside file. Okay, and when you see that, so we have ls, we have this name ls. Okay, so here we can check it out from folder, we have ls help. See, so instead of printing here inside terminal, so this is like saving this inside any file. Okay, so you can use this sign or your file name anywhere. Okay, so ls clean. Now ls. So next we have cat. So cat will read whatever your whatever content inside your file. Okay, so file tst file tst. Okay, so this is my first line. So it is used to read your content inside file. Same as cat ls underscore help tst. Enter. Okay, so this will print whatever whatever content inside your file. Okay, let's see. Okay, so next we have Figlet. Okay, so Figlet will show you the banners. Okay, so this comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. Okay, but in ParaTOS you have to install it. Okay, so for installing any application, sorry, any software or program or any tool, we have to run this command apt get install the name of your software. Okay, that is apt hyphen get install. So here we have some error, that is permission deny. Okay, are you root? Okay, so here we have an error, and this is for the permission. Okay, permission error. Okay, so what we can do, let me show you. So basically we have three types of users. Okay, so we have types of users inside OS. So we have root user, we have a normal user, and we have guest user. Okay, so root user is like which have unlimited privileges. Okay, okay, so root user have unlimited privileges over the system. Okay, same as we have normal user, which have like limited privileges. So a root user is like a administrator user, okay, in Windows. So we have a root user in Linux and we have a administrator user in Windows. So a root user have like like any like number of rights. Okay, root user can do anything inside the system. Like it can he or she can read any file. Okay, execute any file, change any file, edit any file, modify. Okay, or run any kind of tool. So for installing, as we are a normal user now, okay, we are not a root user. You can see here, okay, we are a like normal user. So we don't have any permission to install any tool inside this system. Okay, so what we can do now, we have to take permission of a root user. Okay, so for the permissions, we have three ways. First, we have sudo, okay, and your command. We have sudo su, and we have permanent, that is, we have the sudo password root. sudo root password. Okay. So sudo command means example. Okay, so with each and every command, we have to put sudo before that. Okay, that is like a temporary permission for a particular command. So you can see from here sudo in the command it is apt get install figlet. Password of your machine, okay, of your account. So this will install your figlet. Okay, so this is only for the temporary or okay, like for per command. Second, we have sudo su password. Okay, so here now we are a temporary root user. Okay, and when you cross this from here, okay, if you close this terminal here and when you open this again, we are again a normal user. Okay, okay. So 1 second. Yeah. So sudo su password of your machine. Now we are a temporary root user. Okay. Now we can run any command. Okay, without using sudo. That is install figlet. Okay. Third way we have to become a permanent root user. Okay, that is to become a permanent root user. Okay, in ParrotOS. So for this, you have to type sudo su. Okay, and then sudo password root. Okay, so new password of a root account. So let's say any password. Okay, you can give. So password update successfully. Okay, then you have to click on system control center from here. Okay, so in login window from here, password of your machine. Now here click on users. Okay, so enable this, allow manual log. Okay, enable this. So here after this, close this window, close this as well. Okay, here restart your machine. Okay, so let me restart my machine. Oops. Okay, so restart your machine. Okay, so from here, click on login. Okay, here. Now username that is root. Enter password that is 3456. Okay, So here now we are permanent root user. Okay, so now we can do anything inside Linux, inside ParrotOS. Okay, so this is how you can become a permanent root user. Okay, so I will use my same previous account. So I will log out from the system. Okay, so this is how you can become a permanent root user. Okay, okay, so this is how you can install any software. Okay, now we have Figlet. So Figlet, we show you Figlet. We show you the banner. Okay, let's say hacking. Okay, so these banners are used inside tools like Metasploit, Harvester, etc. Okay, so these are known as banners. Or we can write Figlet. Cyber security. Okay, so these are known as banners. So now, then we have, let's move folder number one, ls. So we have three files. Now, if you want to check the encoding of files, so we have file, name of the file, tst. See, so this is the encoding of my file. Okay. Now, how we can update our ParrotOS or Kali Linux or Linux? Okay. So update will fix your bugs. Okay, will present you new features. So how to update Linux? Okay, like ParrotOS or Kali Linux. So we have three commands for that. First, we have sudo. Okay, sudo for the root permission. apt install. Okay. And then we have sudo apt install upgrade. Okay. Then we have sudo apt update n%. Okay. apt hyphen by full upgrade. Okay. So we have three commands for updating Linux. So these commands are for the for the ParrotOS and for the Kali Linux. Okay, so this will update your only few packages. Okay, only the important ones. But this command will update all the packages, all the tools inside ParrotOS. Okay, all the files, packages, modules, or tools, etc. Okay, so let's try sudo for the root permission. apt install password. Okay, you can use it here. Okay, so this will install only the update only the few packages. Now, for the fully upgrade, if you want to fully update your parrot OS, so for that we have sudo apt update ampersand hyphen apt hyphen y fully upgrade. Enter. Okay, so this will install your fully parrot OS, and this will take time. Okay, Control C to quit. Okay, I'll clear the screen. Okay, so this is how you can install your parrot OS. Now we have less, more, tail, head. So these commands will show you the less command will show you. Okay, so suppose your file is like too large. Okay, or you have like more lines like 1,000, 2,000 lines inside your file. So less will display only the few content inside your file, like few lines. More will display everything. Tail will display only the bottom lines. Okay, head will display the top lines. So let me show you. So we have this file that is rocku.txt. So rocku is a word list here. Okay, that is why it has like more than 10,000 lines. So less name of your file. That is let me put this stop. Rocku sorry. Less name of your file that is rocku.txt and txt. Okay, so this will display only few lines. You can like use scroll down like arrow down key or upper key for scrolling up and down. Okay, Control C or Q for exit. Same as more. So this will display everything. Okay, so rocku.txt. Then we have head and tail. So for the head, name of your file that is rocku.txt. Enter. So this will display only few lines. Okay, top lines around 10 or 11. 10. Okay. So we can even print head hyphen 5, only 5 lines. Okay, rocku.txt. Spaces and empty lines also count. Okay, so these 5 passwords. Same as tail, name of your file, rocku.txt. So this will print last lines. Okay, bottom lines. Same as tail hyphen 5, only 5 lines. Okay. So we have bottom 5 lines. Okay, 105. So these are the useful commands. Now, then we have Okay, so these are for the date times. Okay, so if you want to check out your date, so you can present, you can put date here. Okay, then we have, if you want to change your date. Okay, so sudo hyphen date hyphen s. Okay, for set and quotations. Okay, now we have the format. Your day means your date first. That is, let's say 10, month, Jan. Okay, like anything. And your year. So year is 2025. Your time format is like hour, minute, seconds. Okay, enter. So this will change your date. Clear the screen. Then we have time, date, CTL. Okay, so this will display the time zone. Okay, like everything. If you want to change your time zone, so for that we have sudo root permission, time, date, CTL. Okay, so set hyphen time zone and your time zone. Let's say Asia. Okay, you can name anything. Okay, password. So this will change your time zone. Okay. Okay, so now we have processes commands. So we have PS, processes, PS, AUX, top, or kill PID. Okay, so these are for the, so this will display the running processes. We show the running processes. Okay, so let me show you. PS for the processes. Okay, now PS, AUX will show you all the processes. Okay, in the BG, in the background. So we have these processes with the user, PID, CPU usage, okay, memory, and start time, etc. and command. Same we have top. Okay, use your arrow down key or upper key for scrolling up and down. So we have PID, we have user, we have CPU usage. Okay, we have memory, etc. We have command. Okay, scroll up and down to check everything. Okay. Now press Control C or Q. Control C. Okay. So now we have kill PID. If you want to kill any process with the help of CLI, so we have to use this command. Okay, so kill your hyphen PID or your PID number. Okay, so PID number is like, that is PSAUX. So this is PID number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Clear the screen. Now, let me show you how we can kill any process. So open your Firefox. Okay, I will kill my Firefox. Okay, so Firefox is running here. Type top. Okay, so here we have PID of Firefox. Okay, you can see 3231 or command Firefox ESR. Okay, here. So note your PID, that is 3231. It is okay here. Here it is 3231. Okay, PID of Firefox. Now press Q. Now here kill hyphen PID. Sorry, slash PID. Okay, so here's my browser. Okay, So this is my browser. Now here we are typing 3231. Okay, now here you can see enter. So this will kill the process of Firefox. Okay, so let me show you again. Open your Firefox or any process. Okay, so Firefox is running. Now type p top. So now PID is 3469. Previously we had 3231, so this will keep on changing. So now ID is Firefox Plus, we have 3469. Okay, press Q. Now here kill slash PID. Okay, this is forward slash and that is 3469. Okay, so 3469. Enter. I think 3469. Yeah, enter. So this will clear process, any process. Okay. Okay, so these are the some useful commands to get started with cybersecurity. Okay, rest you can learn on your own. Okay, you can learn from Java Point. That is very like, or you can you can enroll in the Linux administrator course or anyone. Okay, like clear your fundamentals of Linux and clear your commands. Okay, so these are the basic commands. Rest we will see when we'll see the how we can like solve the lab, etc. So rest commands we will see on that time when we are solving any lab or when we are like using any tool. So that we will see. But these are the basic commands. Okay, you should know. Okay. Okay, so we had seen the PWD, okay, ls cd space dot clear exit mkdir for folders, touch for files, remove file, okay, rm hyphen rf for folders, help man for the manual, who and who am I for the print, your user account name, okay, move mv for moving the file, cp for copy the file, or mv for renaming your file. Okay, to rename your file, echo cat figlet or how to install any application or any software program. Then we have file name. Okay, then how to update your Linux, we have this. Okay, then we have less more tailhead, date commands, processes commands, and how to kill your processes. Okay, and this is a shortcut key. We have types of users for permissions, etc. Okay, so for permission you have to run sudo for the particular command. Okay, sudo so for temporary and sudo root password for the permanent root user. Okay, then next we have how to install any GitHub tool. Okay, that is very important. So GitHub is a open source platform. Okay, so where we can find like lots of tool for cybersecurity. So how to install any GitHub tool? So for that, open your browser. Okay, we will search for the harvester. Okay, you can go for any tool. Okay. So here, write the harvester GitHub. Okay, enter. Okay, so here click on this harvester. Okay, so this is just an example how you can install any GitHub tool. Okay, so click on block. Okay. Okay, suppose this is the tool you want to install. Okay, so from here you can click on. Okay, wait. Search for Sherlock. Okay, Sherlock GitHub. Click on here Sherlock projects. Now here, okay, suppose we want to install this tool. So the GitHub will show you the developers will show you the installation process as well. Okay, like how to install it. But if there's no, then you have to click on code, copy this. Okay, HTTPS, copy this URL from here. Here, type git sudo. Okay, for the root permission, git clone, paste. Okay, paste your URL, enter password. Okay, so this will install like Sherlock, okay, your tool. Then for the installation process, for the further installation, you can follow this installation. Okay, manual. You can move to CD, Sherlock. Okay, copy the CD, this one. Okay, first copy this command, then CD. Okay, so that is CD. Then, so this is a command. Okay, don't copy this. And then install the requirements. So copy this as well. Python 3. Control C. You can paste here. Okay, so before that, you install a Python inside your Linux. Okay, so for installing Python, you can type same apt-get install Python 3. Okay, put sudo for the root permission. Okay, so here install Python. Okay, so this is how you can like install any GitHub tool. That is like, okay, if there is no installation process, so you can click on code, copy this URL from here. Okay, and type git clone in this URL. If there's any installation process like manual, and you can copy one by one. Copy this command, and copy this, and copy this. Okay, these three commands. Don't copy this. These are the commands. Don't copy this. So this is how you can install any tool. Okay. So that's it for today. Okay. Next, we will like continue tomorrow. Okay. So if you want to check out the CEH, then you can visit the website. You can check networks from here. Click on the official URL. Okay. So click on like you can scroll. You can check out the course content, modules, and topics. Okay, which we will cover in the upcoming sessions. You can check out the fee structure and you can check out the upcoming batches. Okay. And if you have any query, okay, you can call on this number. Both are available. Or you can WhatsApp or you can fill up the inquiry. You can click on submit. Okay. So if you have any inquiry, feel free to ask. So that's it. Now next we will see the information gathering tools. Okay, in the next session. Thank you.